Hey, do you have any idea what the third contest is? Nope. The third... Well, at least Lando doesn't pop up and scare anyone now. Yeah. Imagine if we had to deal with that for the whole show. $40 contestants, 30 episodes, 2 groups, $1 million. Pixar battle. So what is the third contest? It is to bake a cake. Another elimination. I can't believe this. Our third time being here. I thought we could win. One of the remaining villains will be eliminated. Otto, you are eliminated. For having all but your vote against you.